Hello, this is Engineer Duaso and welcome no sa economic series natin. Let's have this problem number 2 po and let's apply the concept that we learned sa discussion natin. Okay, so let's have this one. What is the principal amount if the amount of interest at the end of 2.75 years is 11,700 pesos for a simple interest of 6% per annum? So we are still at the simple interest, no? Again, no, we have to remember that the language of tawag natin dito, economics is future and present. So that's why it is necessary for us to identify yung mga amount natin, is it in the future or is it in the present? So we need to identify no yung mga verbs natin because that will help us to identify or to recognize that the money is future or present. Okay. So let's start with this one. So we want to calculate the principal amount. So we understand when it comes to the principal amount, we're actually talking about the what? The present worth. All right. Or in short, we want to calculate for the value of P. Now, what do we have here? Now, if the amount of interest, now take note, there are two interests, no? So you have the interest earned and you have the interest rate. So in this case, interest at the end of 2.75 years is 11,700, meaning to say, this 11,700 po, this is your I. Okay? And sabi dito, at the end of 2.75 years, more or less, this is your period, your end. Okay? Now, for a simple interest of 6% per annum. So, ito yung small I natin or ito yung itinatawag natin na interest rate. So, once again, let's apply the table that I have given sa inyo or the FPIN. Okay? FPIIN. Okay? F stands for the future worth. P stands for the present worth. I sa interest earned. Another I, the small letter I, you're talking about the interest rate. And yung N natin, it is the number of years. Okay? So, with that said, ito po, you have the I natin, we recognize it from the given, no? You have 11,700 pesos po. Tapos, you have the N, no? That is 2.75 po. Okay, 2.75 years. So, that is your N. And then, of course, you have the simple interest rate, that is 6%. Now, how do we solve for our principal amount? Knowing that ito yung given natin. Now, if you can still recall the formula natin for the interest, di ba? That is I is equivalent to what? P times interest rate times the value of our yung period natin, di ba? So based on this formula, it is achievable, no, na pwede natin makalculate yung interest natin. Oy, this is not 11,000, this is not 10,000, but this is rather 11,000. Hindi ko lang siya na-edit, no? But yeah, that should be 11,000. Anyway, so this is 11,700 pesos. That's your interest po. Is equivalent to the present worth. Ito yung gusto natin because principal amount is present worth, di ba? Parang capital yan eh. Diba? Tapos, you have here the 6%. Okay? So, sa 6%, kung nalilito ka sa mga percentage, no, you can actually use sa calculator the percentage sign. There's a percentage sign po sa calculator. Or, you can just say that is 0.06. Or, if nahihirapan ka talaga, very simple lang. Gawin mo lang to. That would be 6 over 100. And that should give you the 6% there. Okay? Indication. So, kung sa decimal, this is 0.06 and then yung N natin, which is the period, that is 2.75 po. So, this is your present worth. So, let me calculate it. Again, no? Para ma-practice kayo, no? Try solving this problem po. Okay? So that will be 11,700 over 0.06 times 2.75 and that should give you, ito po yung principal amount natin which is 70,909.09 pesos. Ito po yung present worth natin. You know. Okay? So there you have it. That's how you're going to solve for this problem. Very simple lang. Again, let me just remind you, when it comes to the economics, it's always future and present. So you have to understand yung mga indicators natin. Okay? Engineer Duaso, and thank you for watching. For more videos and for more contents, don't forget to like and subscribe.